Will AI replace Scrum Masters? The truth revealed, will AI take away Scrum Master jobs? Or is the Scrum Master role about to become more powerful than ever? Hello everyone, I am Biswajit Dash and today we are talking about a very important topic. What is the future of Scrum Masters in the age of AI? If you are a Scrum Master or planning to become one, this video can be a game changer for you. Today, AI tools can already automate sprint planning, generate reports, instantly summarize daily stand-ups, and update Jira tasks automatically. So the big question is, do we still need Scrum Masters? Here is the truth: AI can manage processes, but it cannot manage people. AI can analyze data, but it cannot resolve team conflicts. AI can give suggestions, but it cannot provide leadership. The Scrum Master of the future will not just run meetings. They will become an Agile coach, a team mentor, a conflict resolver, a business value driver, and a change leader. AI will not replace Scrum Masters, but it will definitely replace average Scrum Masters. If you upgrade your skills, your demand will increase significantly. But if you stick to only basic Scrum practices, your risk of being replaced becomes very high. If you want to learn real-time project handling, stakeholder management, how to combine AI with Agile, and a roadmap to becoming a high-paid Scrum Master, comment training below, I will personally guide you. If you found this video useful, like it, share it with others who want to become Scrum Masters, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.